Today is a big day.
We have talked about the Kardashians so many times on this channel. We've dressed like them, we've eaten like them, we've purchased all the products that they've put out into the universe. And today we are trying the Kylie by Kendall collection that just dropped, and we almost did not get this, you guys. This is like so high in demand and sold out in like 7.5 seconds.
And today we will be reviewing all of the Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics products, which is super exciting because I know nothing about this collection. And then once we have put them on our faces and really tried to be beauty bloggers and review these, we will be rating them on packaging, pigment, and price using emojis because duh. So I think in honor of Kylie, I will do the smooch emoji. I mean, she is the lip kit queen, let's be real.
Lip liner definitely changed my life.
So I'm going to pick the storm cloud emoji with the rain because of Stormy, obviously. And I feel like Stormy deserves to be a part of this somehow, in some way.
Rise and shine.
So all that's left to do is to paint our faces in Kendall by Kylie. Ah, Kylie. All right, so this is the box that comes in. It's pink, of course, with the Kylie logo. Super cute, super cute. Also, she wrote us a note. It says, "Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO." Can guarantee you, she has no idea what products we picked, but I do think this is a good touch.
This collection costs $176 retail, but we got it on sale for $155, which is still a lot of money to drop, Clevver, like big flex.
Considering that the PR box that she signed is worth over $300, I think $155 is pretty good.
So the collection includes a pressed powder palette, which is eyeshadows, a sister lip blush kit. Can I borrow that high gloss? A face gloss, a highlight stick, a bronzer stick, a blush stick, and a translucent blotting powder.
So this is the pressed powder palette, so the eyeshadow palette. Soup's cute, right? Obviously they're hot, so automatically the packaging is gonna be hot.
Gorgeous, beautiful. Wow.
Colors are really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of small. It's just a little bit bigger than my thumb, and I do have big hands, but irrelevant.
All right, let's take a look inside. Ooh, this is nice. All right. It has kind of like a summery feel. Some of the colors that automatically stick out to me, Runs in the Family is like this yellow shade. That's really cute. Thicker Than Water is like an orange shade. And Love You Sister is kind of nice. It's like a mauvey type peachy brown.
It's kind of like half pastel, half neutral. So maybe there's just a little something for everyone here.
I'm gonna be real honest. Just looking at this, nothing is screaming at me like, oh my gosh, put this on your eyelid
Right now.
But I do think that these colors are super nice, and I do think that they're like nice versatile colors too, nothing too over the top, but also like there are like real pops of color, which is nice for summer.
I am going to do something I never do. I'm gonna start with the bold colors. I usually stay right over here, but you guys didn't click this video to see me do what I normally do, so I'm gonna do something really weird. I'm gonna go here, then here, then here.
All right, I don't know what I'm in the mood for here. Let's just go for it. Let's do Runs in the Family. All right, so it is a little bit powdery.
Okay, yes, she's a little crumbly. It's okay. All right, gonna go in. Oh, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be, actually. You know, some eyeshadows, like once you dip your little thing in the little thing, it is just really a lot to work with, and you have to really work it to blend it out. But this looks kind of pastel. For someone like me, it's actually really nice. So I'm just gonna keep doing this until it looks a little better than it currently does.
It's going on real nice. I mean, her formulas are always good just because I do feel like they have like kind of like a velvety, softer feel, which is really nice, especially like with eyeshadows, right? Like I never want to like feel like I have to put something on for like 15 minutes just to get some color. So I do like this a lot.
First thoughts, it blends really well. It doesn't look as good on camera as it does in person. It looks crazy on camera, but it looks really cool in person. So I'm gonna go in with this green color. It's called Here Kenny Kenny, which is cute. Okay.
All right, let's try some of these other colors. I kind of set the bar at a crazy place starting with the yellow, but I'm just gonna go in with some brown. Why not? So I'm using Loyal. Oh yeah, these blend really good actually.
My eyeshadow is done, and I don't know if you can tell, but I think it looks really good. I don't know if you can tell if it looks good, but it does, I think.
All right, so I don't mind that it can be covered up with other colors. Like I put the yellow on first, and then once I put the brown on, the yellow was like gone. But that does make me a little bit concerned that it wouldn't last a very long time. Because like right now it looks nice, but I just don't know if it would really truly like hold up over hours if it comes off like so easily.
I love this purple color. I really like the green color. I like all these colors. I thought it would look a little crazy, but it really looks soft and subtle and still a pop. Like people are gonna recognize that you have some cool makeup going on, but it's really understated.
Okay, so I like the eyeshadow. I really like the colors. My only concern is that I feel like I've already lost some of the color from the first time I put it on. And I don't know if it's because they blend together so nicely, like all the shades really do blend with each other like really nicely, which is a good thing. But I do feel like with the first time I put the yellow on, it was just popping more. And like it doesn't need to be over the top, but I feel like I'm gonna put yellow on my eye. I want it to be yellow.
I don't know if you guys care, but look how bad it looks with all the fallout and stuff. And I barely touched it. So over time, I just feel like all of this fallout is gonna end up at the bottom of my makeup bag and be gross.
It's not right.
All right, so next up we have the Kendall by Kylie lip blush and lip liner. Again, the packaging is super hot because it's them.
Going in with the lip liner first. I haven't lined my lips in so long. Don't even know if I remember how.
I think I could do it with my eyes closed.
I mean, I think this packaging looks really nice. I really do. I think this is like even better than the palette so far. The eyeshadow palette, this is super nice. Let's find out what this color's all about.
Y'all, this color is really pretty. It's really soft. It's kind of light. Like, I don't know if this would look good on every person's skin tone, but it's really pretty.
I mean, this is really truly going on like butter. Between the blush and the stick, the liner, look at me, the stick. Between the blush and the, I almost said it again.
I don't know, I think it's too light for me. What do you guys think? On camera it looks even lighter, but my lips kind of just disappear. I look like I've lost blood circulation to my face. I don't know, I thought this was gonna be a lot darker. It's so light compared to what it looks like, right?
Yeah, so I do feel like it's not supposed to be a very powerful look, but I like it. I feel like it's a very everyday type of lipstick, and it's nice, honestly. It feels really good. Yeah, I do think this is really nice. I actually really like this. I'm like really happy that I have this now, because I feel like I'm gonna wear it every single day.
Next is the Can I Borrow That High Gloss. This looks obviously colored. Packaging is really nice. This looks like it could be sticky, and gloss with hair like mine, you're getting it in your gloss all day. So it's really hard to do a gloss really well. Oh, I already feel it sticking to me. I don't even have it on yet.
Ooh, interesting. All right, so it is a gloss, and it is kind of like a mauvey type pink shade. It's really nice, actually. It's a little sticky. It looks really nice. I just don't know if it's supposed to be that sticky. Maybe it'll like calm down a little bit once it dries a little bit.
Okay. A little bit goes a long way. Smells good as well. My hair is already sticking in it. Oh my gosh. But it is soft. It's really thick. This probably would last you a long time because I just used a little dab and I feel very hydrated, like very wet.
Okay, so I do like it. I think it pops really nicely. I do think it's a little sticky. Like, I don't know if I like how sticky it is, especially in comparison to the lip blush that went on like straight up butter. This is like, feels a little heavy. But if you want your lips to pop, then this is definitely a good option for you. It is very glossy, which I guess high gloss, you would expect it to be glossy. I do wish it wasn't so sticky, you know? I kind of want to put the blush over it again to get rid of the stickiness.
Next is this Everything Everywhere gloss. It's probably a lip gloss first and foremost.
It doesn't really have instructions, so I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to do with this. Maybe it's just like supposed to go everywhere, I guess. Duh, that's what it's called.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
I don't know what this does, you guys. Should I put it on my body? Like, what is happening? Oh man. I mean, it feels really nice. It kind of has like a really moisturizing feel to it. It's sticky though. What am I supposed to do with this?
This is a case for the FBI.
I will say over the other one, I think this one's a lot prettier and adds like a little oomph to your lips. Similar texture, it's very thick, it's very goopy. If you like that texture and you're okay with it, then I think this is a really good product. Mostly because there's a little extra shimmer, which I really, really love.
Okay, so next up we have the Kylie sticks. Bronzer, blush, and the Kylie stick come in these. This is really, really, really nice looking, honestly.
The sisters together look unreal. It's like not even fair. They look so pretty.
She's the least exciting to look at. Ooh, all right, so that is pretty pigmented actually. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I'll put it over this Everywhere gloss, which is still sticky, by the way.
Okay, there's no scent to it. That's a pretty good product. That's a pretty good amount. We're just gonna go in here and give myself a little highlight. Not too bad. It's very light in color and in thickness. It's not something that looks too heavy.
It has a really nice and natural kind of highlight, which I like. I think it's more appropriate for summer because you're not wearing a lot of powder in summer because you're under the sun, you know? So I do think it actually is like more appropriate for hotter weather. I'm not mad at this at all. This is nice.
I don't know if I would use this every day. I think I'd put this in my backup kit for when I'm traveling for shoots or something. It's not bad. I just think that there might be better ones out there.
So next up, we're gonna do the bronzer stick, which is this one in the shade Act Natural. Okay, so that looks exactly like the highlight stick, except it is obviously bronze.
Has a little more of like a crayon-y, plasticky smell. It feels really nice and feels really hydrating. It's kind of a cool color. My bronzer is a little warmer.
All right, last one is the blush stick, and this one is in the shade Runway. Ooh, this is nice. It's similar to the lip blush color, actually.
Blush creams are challenging for me because I feel like they slip and slide a lot. Let's give it a try. Okay. Oh yeah, it's really light. Oh, it's really pretty, actually. Huh.
I mean, I really do like that it kind of just blends right in, and it's like more of a subtle blush, to be honest. I'm not mad at that at all. I think it looks really a lot more natural, which I just think is perfect for when it's super hot out.
Oh, it's really pretty. I like this one a lot. I think it's really soft, really natural looking. I would wear probably this over the other two sticks because it's actually the right color for me.
This is kind of like what I want. Like, I want a more subtle look in summer. I don't want to feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, and I don't also want to have to sit there and like try to make things blend. This sun-kissed look I think is perfect for summer. I really do like those products a lot, all three of them.
I'm going to move into the blotting powder, which is really the thing that is the most probably unnecessary product, but has the most connected branding that I've ever seen. I don't know about you guys, but my sister would never let me get this close to her.
Is this powder? It's like a cream powder. What is this? I'm so confused. It says nothing. It says blotting powder, but it's like not powder at all. It's actually cream.
This is a waxy, feels kind of like a chapstick. And this is supposed to blot. Do I have an oily spot? Yeah, right here, kind of. I think it's just taking my makeup off. I'm afraid Chris is gonna get mad at me.
Oh yeah, that's a no. Do not put that over powder. Also, it just took off all my makeup. Let's try some over my cheeks where there isn't any powder. Yeah, that's way better.
I'm never gonna use this again, to be really real. It could be great if used by someone who knows what they're doing, who does makeup all the time. I haven't watched a ton of tutorials on how to use this, but I don't think you should have to have watched a bunch of tutorials to know how to use this.
I do like how moisturizing it is, actually. It's super nice. Just don't put it over powder because all of your makeup will come off. But I do like the consistency of it. I do feel like it blurs, but it is kind of sticky again, to be honest with you.
It just feels so waxy. It's so slippery and oily. Like, how could this get rid of oil? I don't know about this. I don't know about this. You guys let me know in the comments if you've used this and if you like it. I wonder what Sinead thinks.
Yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. I don't know what it is, but I'm not mad at it. It's just like really interesting. If I put it on my hand, I can see that it's really blurring. Like, it does like cover up pores a little bit. So in that sense, I like it. I just don't think it's meant to go over powder, as proof by this under eye, which looks like I'm 100 years old because it just took off all my makeup.
Here is my final Kylie x Kendall face. My thoughts are complicated.
Pretty impressed overall. Definitely think the packaging is some of my favorite Kylie packaging so far. I do really, really like those sticks, the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight sticks. There is something really like nice and fresh about them, but I think hands down my favorite would be the lip kit, as per usual. I mean, they've got a great product. Kylie should never stop making lip kits.
Bury me in lip kits and eyeshadows.
Okay.
For packaging, I am going to rate this collection together as a 5 out of 5 Stormies. The packaging is great. It feels really good in your hands. It's beautiful, it's fun, it makes you want to do your makeup, which is hard enough these days. So I appreciate the thought and effort that went into the packaging.
So if I were to rate these, I think overall packaging, if it wasn't for the palette still is like that paper around all the colors, which I've never liked. I've never liked that because I just feel like they can get damaged really easily, and like the around each shade should be a lot more sturdy, which I just don't feel like is a thing with the Kylie powder or with the Kylie eyeshadow palettes. So if it wasn't for that, I probably would have given this a 5, but because of the palette, I'll give it just at a 4. I do think the packaging is super nice though. Like there is something really like chic about it. It's really cute. And I also love that it's just pictures of the two of them. I think it's really personal and cute.
Pigments, I'm going to give it I loved the eyeshadow palette, but I think it's not strong enough to give it a 4. So I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 Stormies, only because I don't think the colors are for everyone, and maybe it would work good for you, but it's just pigment for me. Oh, the eyeshadows were really good, but I'm just gonna stick to my 3 out of 5.
For pigment, I'll give it right at a 3 because I'm not that impressed by it. I also don't mind it only because we're in summertime. I feel like once it gets to fall and winter, when you want your colors to pop a little bit more because you don't have the luxury of having like sun, I feel like I wouldn't like it as much, to be honest with you. I feel like I would feel like everything looks really muted. That's not a good thing.
Price is tricky because I actually think the pieces that I loved in this collection are totally worth the price individually. I think as a collection, I don't think you need all of this stuff. And even if you did need all of it, I don't think all of it would be useful for most people. So for price, if you need all of these products, then I think the price is good. If you don't need all of these products, I think you might be overpaying just to get this collection when you can get individual pieces that work better for you and are just more affordable generally.
I think that this is a really good deal. Honestly, I think that $155 for all of these products is a really good deal. I'm so the wrong person to ask about price because, like I said earlier, I'm super cheap. So everything just sounds expensive when it's not like $7. All right, so $155. I'll give that at a 4 because I think considering all of the products, yeah, it's a lot of products, honestly. I'll give it right at a 4 just because I'm cheap. I'm not gonna apologize for that.
I actually am curious, have you guys tried this collection? Have you gotten your hands on any piece of it? Let us know what you think of it in the comments and if you would pay $155 or $170 some odd dollars for this collection. Don't forget to subscribe. Also click right here for another video right here on Clevver Style. We love you, we appreciate you. We'll see you next time.